Good morning, longboarding mom. It's 3:15 in the morning, almost 3:30 probably because I've been up moving around a little bit. I am making a brisket today. It's Wednesday and it's raining. I just walked out my door to get my barbecue going and lightning struck and then thunder. So we'll see if we can catch another one here in a second. Right out my front door. Oh, and I'm scared of lightning and thunder, so I ran back in. We stood there and listened for the thunder. And it's right above us. Yeah, that was it. Wait for it. Wow. Lightning and thunder. It's still rolling through the valley. I'm standing out of the porch, you guys. I'm still scared. Maybe I should sit down so I'm lower. Wow. I was going to go back to bed too because it was raining and I was going to do this on Friday. But I said, no, Wednesday is my brisket day. I've been talking about it for weeks. Oh, gosh. It's just rolling. Wow. They're not even strikes, it's just lighting up the whole sky. Whoa. I can't believe I am sitting in the middle of the thunderstorm on my front porch, you guys. Yes, I'm sitting cross-legged. Oh, wow. Well, you know what? Now is a good time to talk about the prayers from God being answered. Yes, Lord, thank you. Lord, thank you very much, Lord. My prayers were answered Sunday morning. My husband's finger was hurting him so bad. And I prayed. I got up early in the morning and I prayed for my husband's finger. Hi, baby.
Why do you got a light on?
Because I turned it on when I came out to do the brisket. And I just sat on the ground so I could record.
Be careful, please.
I love you. Okay. Okay. Sunday morning, my husband's finger, I asked for prayers. And my husband's finger started hurting worse Saturday night. And I marked it with a little line. And Sunday morning, it got longer. No, sorry. Friday night, I marked it. Saturday night, it got longer. Sunday morning, I got up and I was praying for my husband's finger. I didn't want it to go any further into his hand. No further, please. Don't go any further into his hand. I don't want the infection to get any worse. And he woke up Sunday morning and his finger was feeling better. The infection had actually blown up. And his finger felt better. So Tuesday, we go for surgery. That was last night, yesterday. And the doctor was looking at his finger. He's like, wow, you were in a lot of pain, weren't you? A lot of pain. He's like, I was in excruciating pain. He's all, but when it blew up, it went away. And he was still in a little bit of pain. But the doctor and him decided that they didn't want to remove his finger. It looks so much better. And I want to thank you all for all those prayers that you gave me and my husband and stuff, because he still has his finger. We got one more week. He's going to go to the doctor, have him check it out on his birthday next week on the 19th. And we'll see if he gets to keep his finger. It looks better, but that's what we said last time. So we'll see. But thank you for your prayers. Please keep praying. He still has his finger. So right now things are awesome. God is awesome. God is awesome. Listen to this. This is amazing. God is awesome. Thank you, Lord, for answering my prayer and everybody's prayers. Thank you all for praying. And after this video, I will show you some pictures. If you guys want to stick around, I'll give you a warning because they are nasty pictures of his finger. And wow, this storm is going crazy, isn't it? But yeah, I will give you all a 5-second warning that these pictures are going to pop up. And when they do pop up, I will, not let you see them for a couple seconds so you guys can turn the video off. It'll be at the end of this video. You can see his nasty finger. Wow. Hopefully the storm ends so I can do my brisket today. I'm going to go back inside and get started on this brisket. I got to trim it still. I don't want to go inside. This is cool. And finish getting my barbecue ready, but I'm going inside. I'm not doing it with this storm like this. It is raining like crazy. One more before I go in. Wow. We're gonna flood. We haven't had rain like this in a while. Okay, sneaking in.